for sure a lovely show. I've been here many times in the past. It's a fantastic arena. It's really nice how enthusiastic the Italian public is. We have very good atmosphere, really good paddock, good stabling. But what's also really nice is that we get the chance in the evening to go out for dinner. It's a beautiful city, and it's really nice to visit and for girls to go shopping and all these kind of things.
Yeah, it's huge, and for me it's double, you know, because to have a nice show it's always good for the rider, but when you compete at home it's unbelievable. The crowd here is, I mean, it's really special energy. I love it. You know, in this Grand Prix in the World Cup, I was one time second, one time third. And everybody I meet, they say, now you need to do the first. Just a little pressure. No, I'm joking. No, actually it's motivation, it's not big pressure. I like when the crowd support you, I like the atmosphere. I like to have a lot of people that share for you. I like it.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Atmosphere is very good. Yesterday also in the big class was really big crowd, so it's always a pleasure to come here, especially to Verona, to jump such a big show like that.
This is my first year here and I'm very excited. It's a fantastic show and I hope to perform good.
Tell us who you'll ride tomorrow in the World Cup.
I will ride Casello once again. We managed to get somewhat 10 points last week in Lyon, so I guess we need another 30 something, so we'll keep trying.
I did already 2 qualifications. I have a few points already. I was third in Helsinki, so I'm trying to get some World Cup points, yeah, to try to qualify for the final this year.
It's a 4th World Cup show here. It's my 3rd leg. I will compete. I started in Oslo, which had a 6th place. Was okay. Lyon last week had two down, so hopefully I can get some points here in Verona.